Hey there, Christian here, and welcome back to RackNerd TV. In our most recent video, we discussed how you can point your domain name using your host's name servers. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of pointing your domain name to your web hosting account using DNS. But keep in mind that the process may vary from domain registrar to domain registrar, as every registrar has a different interface, though it should be pretty similar from each one. Furthermore, using a DNS method is particularly useful for advanced users or those with specific technical requirements for their online presence, especially to those who are using cloud servers or VPS and dedicated servers. While updating name servers directs all services associated with your domain to a new hosting provider, updating DNS allows for more granular management, which means updating your domain's DNS directly provides greater flexibility and control over your website's configuration. For instance, you might want to host your email service with one provider while hosting your website with another. Additionally, if you're using services like content delivery networks, CDNs, or specialized subdomains, managing DNS records individually allows for tailored configurations. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen and let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm on my screen here. The first thing that we want to do is you'll need to access your domain registrar's account. This is where you originally purchased or managed your domain name. In our case, we will be using our RackNerd demo account here. So just log in, and once you're logged into it, look for an option like Manage DNS or DNS Management. For us, it can be found under the Domains drop-down list and My Domains section here. Now locate the new domain name you want to point your hosting and simply click on that. After that, find the DNS Management section. Once you're in the DNS Management page, simply add the appropriate details provided to you by your hosting provider, like your domain as the host name. The record type will be an A record pointed to your server's IP, then save those changes. Next, let's add a wildcard record to cover any other subdomains you may need to run services with. To do this, add an asterisk as your value to the host name here, and add a CNAME record type, then input your domain name. And that's pretty much it for a basic configuration when managing your website in a particular hosting environment like cPanel or any other control panels, as you will just manage other records internally within the panel, and most of these panels will automatically set up the records for you, especially for your mail server records, so you don't really need those in your domain's registrar account unless prompted to do so. By the way, it is very important to note that changes to your domain's DNS may take some time to propagate across the internet. This process typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours or probably more, depending on the registrar. You can monitor the changes by going to dnschecker.org. Simply add your domain in there and submit for a check, then review if the new records have been reflected, making sure all the locations are reflecting all the right records before you move forward with the next steps. So once the changes have reflected or propagated, your domain name should be pointed to your hosting, as easy as that. And you're free to build or test out your site or do whatever you want with it. Good luck. And there you have it. By updating your domain's DNS, you have successfully pointed your domain name to your web hosting account. If you have any questions, comment down below or feel free to reach out to our support team if you're a RackNerd customer. Furthermore, thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this. And remember, if you are looking for a reliable web hosting service, be sure to check us out at racknerd.com. Until next time, happy hosting.